So today we're going to fly the drone above a deciduous forest where we've been doing a little bit of restoration. This is the pre-flight checklist right here, and we're going to take you through the instructions as to what to do before setting up and flying the drone. So number one here is attach the props to the vehicle. This is how you open the box. Open and twist, and then open the box like that. So first of all, take out the controller, and next, this is the drone, and these are the propellers. To attach the propellers to the drone, there are two kinds. One kind has a black ring, and the other kind has a silver ring. And we attach the black ring props to the motors with the black dots. So to attach the props with the black ring, we put it on the motor with the black dots. You line up the whatever you call that with the hole in the prop, put it on. Of course it's not working. Press and twist. And I don't know whether you can see, but on the prop it tells you which way to turn the prop. So, silver, no black dots. Press and twist, and it's done. Hold the motor firmly when you press and twist. Now we attach the tablet to the controller. We make sure that the buttons on the tablet do not touch the controller. So turn the tablet on. Now the tablet is coming on. And we put the tablet in the controller. And we clamp it down and make sure that the buttons are not pressing the controller. Nice and tight. So we attach the tablet to the controller frame. Check the battery level on the tablet. Check the battery here, make sure the battery is good. Got a lot of power, 99%. Number three is remove the protection plastic bar from the drone camera. This is called the gimbal guard. The gimbal guard. Okay, so we're just gonna take it off. So now the gimbal is free to move the camera. And just pop it in the box. Next thing you want to do is to press the drone battery on button and then press again and hold to turn the drone on. But you want to do that at the home point. So you want to lay out a home point first, put the drone at the home point, and then turn it on. This marks the home point of the drone. And the circle is exactly 1 meter across, so you can use it as a scale to determine how big things are in the pictures that the drone is going to take. And then click again and press and hold. And you can see the 4 green bars. It means the battery is full and the drone is ready to fly. Number 5, check that the P mode switch on the controller is on. The P mode switch is at the back of the controller. If you turn the controller around, you'll find the mode switch here, and you want that switch to be in the P position. When you're ready to turn the controller on, you press the controller on button and then press and hold it down again, and that will turn on the controller. Press and hold, and you can see that the white lights come on. When the controller is on, you can see the power lights are on. To turn the controller off, click and press and hold, and you will see that the power LEDs go off. Now the controller is off. For the tablet to communicate with the controller, you must then disconnect and reconnect the cable from the tablet to the controller, and after that select the Lychee app from the pop-up menu on the tablet. The Lychee app will then open and it will show you a map of where you are after about 30 seconds, and the home point, a green dot, will appear on the map. This is the cable that connects the tablet to the controller. The USB connector goes into the controller, and the smaller connector goes into the tablet. The smaller connector goes into the tablet like this. And the USB connector goes into the controller like this. To turn the drone on, place the drone at the home point. Press the power button on the battery, then press it again and hold it down. The green lights will come on and the drone will make a little noise to let you know that it's alive. Disconnect and reconnect the cable between the controller and the tablet. Get rid of the battery program, and then you can see here is a pop-up of all the different programs that the controller can use through the tablet to control the drone. The one we're going to use today is called Lychee, so you tap on Lychee and then you tap on just once. When you open the program, the screen will show you the video footage that the drone is recording at this moment. In the lower right hand corner is the map. If you press on the map will come up using Google Earth as a background. The green circle marks the home point. This is the safe point to which the drone will return if there's any kind of problem with the flight. And the blue dot represents the position of the controller. Number 8 is to make sure that the controller and the drone are communicating with each other. Check pairing, drone and controller. Check to make sure that the uplink and the downlink signals are full. The uplink and the downlink signals are in the top of the screen, here and here, and you want to make sure that those bars are full. 4 or 5 bars at least. The next thing to do is to make sure that the drone is in connection with as many GPS satellites as possible. In order for the drone to fly, it needs at least 10. Check ready to go, GPS 10 or more satellites. The number of satellites is indicated here at the top of the screen. Here you can see that the drone is in communication with 11 GPS satellites. The minimum number needed to fly is 10, so 11 or 12 is okay. And here you can see it says PGPS. It means that the drone is ready to fly by GPS satellite. Is to check that the drone is functioning properly. So the first thing we will do is to check to see that the camera gimbal is working. The scroll wheel is at the back of the controller, So just use the left scroll wheel up and down to check that the camera gimbal is working properly. To bring up the image of the camera, just click on the video, and now we are seeing what the camera is seeing on the drone. The gimbal wheel is the left scroll wheel, which is situated at the back on the left hand side here, and if you turn that wheel, watch, the gimbal will go down, and turn it to the right, it'll go up. Swivel it to the left to go down, swivel it to the right to go up, and now we're moving the camera on the drone. Number 11 is to check to make sure that the camera is working properly. So take a small video clip and snap one picture. When the camera switch is in the right position, the camera will take video and the red circle around the video camera will appear. Press that button and
recording started.
The recording will start. If you press the button again,
recording stopped.
The recording will stop. When the camera switch position is in the left position, the camera on the drone will take still images, and when you press the camera symbol, a blue circle will appear, and that indicates that the drone has just taken a still image. To fly a waypoint mission, you need to click on the eye symbol at the top left-hand corner of the screen and select waypoints or ground stations from the drop-down menu. Click on the eye symbol in the top left-hand corner of the screen next to the letters FPV. When you do that, there will be a number of different options that appear, and we want to select a waypoint, which is the second one in from the left. So click on that, and now we are ready to run a waypoint mission. Click on the folder icon in the upper left-hand side of the screen and click on the file name of the mission that you want to load into the tablet and into the controller. The waypoints will appear on the map, and the waypoint mission has been downloaded into the tablet and the controller, but it has not yet been uploaded into the drone. To select a waypoint mission, you click on the eye symbol next to the letters FPV in the top left-hand corner of the screen. When you do that, several different modes of flying will appear, and the one that you want to select is waypoint mission. It's the second one in from the left. When you do that, a folder icon will appear in the top left-hand side of the screen. If you click on the folder icon, a list of different waypoint missions will appear on the screen. Scroll through until you find the waypoint mission that you want. In our case, today we're at Hoi Tung Tau, so we're going to do HTT 10th of February 2018. Click on the mission and then click load. On the map, the waypoints of the mission will appear, and you can adjust the waypoints or you can simply start flying the mission. So you can see on the waypoint mission there is a green circle with an H in it. This marks the home point. That is the emergency return point where the drone will go if there's any problem with the mission. The blue circle represents the position of the controller, and the purple circles represent the positions of the waypoints along the mission. The numbers in the little black clouds above the purple circles indicate the altitude of where the drone will fly to at each particular waypoint.